In the world of football, some matches are more than just games. They are battles, they are high-stakes clashes, they are spectacles that captivate the entire globe. And tonight, we have a match that falls squarely into that category. We find ourselves on the precipice of a showdown, a titanic clash that's been brewing feverishly. Barcelona versus Paris Saint-Germain, a match that promises to be a roller coaster ride of emotions. Barcelona, under the leadership of Xavi Hernandez, has been a formidable force of late. With an impressive streak of 13 undefeated matches, they've showcased a defensive solidity that's been nothing short of remarkable. However, they'll be without Sergi Roberto and Andreas Christensen, a situation that could potentially leave them vulnerable. On the other side of the field, PSG is looking to strike back, to exact revenge after a 3-2 loss in the first leg. Hakimi's return to the lineup is a significant boost for them. The stakes are high, the tension is palpable, and the anticipation is through the roof. Now, let's turn our attention to the potential game changers. For Barcelona, the spotlight will be on their talismanic striker. His agility, his precision, his knack for finding the back of the net could prove to be the difference between victory and defeat. For PSG, it's their midfield maestro who's expected to make a significant impact. His vision, his ability to dictate the pace of the game, could be the key to unlocking the Barcelona defense. So, as the world waits with bated breath for the match to commence, predictions about the outcome are already swirling. Will Barcelona's defensive prowess hold firm against the attacking onslaught of PSG? Or will PSG's midfield supremacy tilt the balance in their favor? Only time will tell. One thing is certain though, regardless of the outcome, this match promises to be an epic encounter. A clash of the titans that will leave a lasting impression on the hearts of football fans the world over. So sit back, hold on tight, and brace yourself for a night of high-stakes football that's sure to be a thrilling ride from start to finish.